Hi, grade one, Kuwaiti syllabus. Today, I will make a quick revise on what we learned by answering two exams. By answering two exams. But before I will go to answer our exams today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our exam today, or our exercise that we practice today. Today, I will go to answer an exam. Is not like the exam, but it's an example for your exam later. Okay. Here we have in the exam we have three questions here. Here we have reading. We have here circle the correct word. We have match the letters. Okay. So during the lesson we learn this. And we know how to do these questions before. Here we say the upper and lower case. The upper and lower case means capital letter and small letter in the simplest way. Okay, if you don't know these words. Here we have H. Letter H is uppercase. So which is lower? This one. T, capital T, and small t, or uppercase or smaller lower case, as we know. Let's go to another question here. I would like to practice of this question because I know that we have today in this period we end from the first term and to prepare to the next term later. So so until you examine, I will give you exercise to practice on what we learned. Here we have, what is this? It's hat. So I select this one. What this? Is it arm? Wrong. Is it leg? Wrong. Yes, it's leg. Not. I think I don't know this feet. If we say feet, I will select. So it will be here leg, not hat, not hat. Let's go to another question here. Here we say match letters to the picture. We have pictures here, and the picture in this picture we know it. So here we have horse. Is it H here? No. This is tiger. Is it T here? Yes. So I select this one by this one. What if this is lemon? So I select L by lemon. Okay. So I know if you know the word, you can select the first letter that this word started with. Let's go to another exam here. Here we say copy the letters and numbers. Here is this is the same like handwriting. So here we do it like this. Okay, I would like to see how to do it. We write H as it is and 2 as it is. This is for practicing to write how to write H, letter H, and the number 2. Okay, to practice you if you are able to do so or not. Let's go to another one here. Here we say here is the first letter here is missing. So as we told you during the lesson, you must You must keep the vocab. Here is hand and here is 2. Okay, here is 2. Okay. Let's go to another one here, to another exam here. Here is another exam. Here we say here is mosque and house. Which so in the exam the teacher come to your class and say mosque. So when I say mosque, I write here in this one. If I say house, I put here in this one. If I say Quran, I put here. If I say camera, I put here. So you must know all the words to be able to select the suitable word as your teacher tell to you. Here we have lesson and circle. Here we have, when you say pray, which one is pray here? This one. When I say mouse, which one? When I say family, this one. So here I say 9, so this one. Okay, so now we know how to answer this question. Let's go to another one here. Here we have here we have pictures, and we have different one. The different picture here, it will be what? It will be here milk, because monkey is an animal and tiger is an animal. Here is the lowercase, or here is the lowercase or uppercase or capital letter and small letter, as we know. Here we know here is uppercase of letter N, lowercase it will be N, or capital letter and small letter. Here would be M, capital M and small m. Let's continue the rest of the exercise here. Here we say, here it would be, I will write the rest of the number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's continue the rest of the exercise, okay? All this for what? For practicing on the exam, okay? On the it's a simulate, it's an imagine of your paper exam. Okay, here is the upper lower of letter M. The lower case of letter M, it will be this one. The lower case of letter N, this one. Let's go to another question here. Here we say, what if this picture refers to family? So I select this one. What if this is camera? So I select this one. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we say, here we have nose. The word nose started with what? With letter N. Mask started with letter M. Let's go to another exercise here. Here is a capital A. Here in this part we write M and A. Let's know this exercise. Here it will be, what is the missing letter here? It will be here 9. The missing letter here, it will be man. If you keep the vocab, you can. It's easy to answer the missing letter. Okay, missing letter is not difficult, but if you keep the vocab, you can answer this question in correct way. Let's go to another exam here, or exercise. Here we say, when I say fridge, this one. When I say bed, this one. When I say garden, or they say watering or plant, this one. When say wall, this one. Let's go to another one here. Listen and circle. Here is here is cooking. Here is eat. Here is drink. Okay. Circle the odd one. So here we have something is odd. What if the odd one here? It will be here the animal title. Here we have duck and doll. So the strange one or the odd one, it will be here the banana. Here is the uppercase of letter R. The lowercase, it will be this one. Here is capital B and small b. We can say uppercase or lowercase, or can say capital or small letter. Let's go to another exercise here. Here we count these flowers and select the suitable number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I select this one by this one. Here is the phrases. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I select this one by this one. Let's go to another exercise here. Here we have capital D or uppercase of D and lowercase of D. This one. R, capital R and small r. Let's go to another item here. Here is the marks that we took in the exam. Okay, this is the marks here. You can't write anything here because this is the mark. If you do this question correct, you have 2 out of 2. If you do this correct, we have 2 out of 2. If you do this correct, you have 2 or 2. So we get what? We get the half. We get the full mark in the exam. Okay, so we are clever people. Here what if this? It's boat. So I select this one. What if this? It's desk. What here is letter B. Which of this picture started with letter B? Book. Our clever pupils. Here is what this boy doing. Run. So I select this one by this one. Let's go to another one here. Here is the missing letter. Here it will be what? It will be here D, dog. Here is bag. Okay. Let's go to another exercise here. And this is the last one today. Okay. Here we say, we say here, I like ice cream or I don't like ice cream. I like burger or I don't like burger. Here we say, listen and circle. Chocolate, which one? This one. I'm listening. Letter O, this one. Let's go to another one. Circle the odd one out. Which one is odd here? Let's do it. Let's do it together. Here we have the odd one here. It will be here, octopus. Okay. Here is capital F here and small f. Capital O and small o. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is the numbers. If you keep the numbers, you can answer this question also in a correct way. Let's go to another question here. Here is the last one here. Here is the uppercase of all the capital letter of letter F, and this is the small letter, capital O and small o. What is this? It's an egg. You are clever people. I'm listening you saying, Miss Iman, it's an egg. I think you follow me during the videos, and you are clever to know what we told during the videos. This one, what is this? It's fish. You are clever pupils. I'm listening you saying, Miss Iman, fish. You are clever pupils. You are follow my videos. Okay. Here we say, here is this letter E. Which picture of this started with letter E? It will be here elephant. So I select this one by this one. Which of these picture started with letter O? It will be here orange. Let's go to another, to the last one here. Here we have here is letter E and letter E and letter F. Okay. Here is the first letter here that we missing. That this is the first letter missing. Initial means the first letter. It will be here foot, and it will be here pizza. Okay, this is the first letter that missing here. If you keep the vocab, you can answer this question incorrect, easy in the exam. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here is the listening text. We have here some words. I would like to read it to study. Here we have hat, sat, mat, rate, bat. This is the same letters in the same sound. Hat, sat, mat, rate, mat. Man, tan, sad, mad, dad. Min, hin, tin, hot, dot. Lot, not, arm, lot, not, arm. And school, book, apple, food, leg, camera. I would like to keep this vocab. It's important because it's important in the exam, and in the exam can missing the letter and leave you to put the missing letter. So we must keep this vocab by heart. Today I end from our video. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.